Are you currently stuck at home and have nothing to do other than spend all your time on Twitter? Do you like to take mirror selfies but don't because your phone case is so plain? Do you have lots of photo cards and don't know what to do with them, and then when you do look at them you question why do you keep pulling out Jungkook photo cards? Then this video is for you. Cue montage. What's up, BB? It has been so long since I filmed in front of a camera. It's like, I don't even know what I'm doing anymore. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. It has been a while since I've uploaded a video. We're back for another DIY. And we are making some DIY BTS phone cases. I've been meaning to do a video involving phone cases. And here is one of the DIYs. I love this one. This is my favorite one. So cute, so simple, and as easy as... Anyways, let's get on with the video. So before we get onto the phone cases, we are going to create a template. So what I have here is just a piece of white paper, any paper will do, and my clear phone case. All of these DIYs do require a clear phone case, so I recommend one that is seal proof. I'll put a link in the description box below if you want this one. I recommend this one since nothing's gonna move once you put it on your phone. And as you can see here, it's pretty self-explanatory. I'm just tracing around the phone case to create the template. And once you have that cut out, wow, look at that transition, magic, yes. And once that's cut out, you have your template, and now we can move on to the DIYs. So the first up is Jungkook, and we are going to make the first DIY the easiest. So it's going to range from easiest to a little bit more time consuming. So this one is going to be on blue foiled paper. Yes, I got this at Michael's. I'll leave a link in the description down below if you are interested in this. So the first thing you're going to do is get your template and trace it out on the back of the blue foiled paper and cut it out as usual. Since it is foiled paper, it tends to be more sturdier and a little bit more harder to cut through, and if you do cut it out with scissors, you tend to bend it and then it doesn't really look that pretty anymore. So I suggest for the camera hole to use an Exacto knife for more precise precision. Does that make sense? I don't know. And look at that, it looks super pretty. I love the reflection of it. It's just so nice to look at. And then you're going to go ahead and put that into your phone case and make sure that it is fitted correctly. And then you're going to grab your photo card and place it face down, and then you're going to grab your foiled paper and put it on top. And once you flip it over, it should look like this. It is super simple, quick, and easy to do. And if you want to decorate it a little bit more, I suggest to use some washi tape. So I have here some holographic washi tape. And the good thing with washi tape, why do I keep saying washi tape? I don't even know. But the good thing about it is that it does not leave a sticky residue. So if you are worried about your photo card being damaged, no worries, washi tape won't do that. And look at that, it makes the photo card stand out a little bit more, and it just adds a nice touch to it. If you want to do a more flowery background, you can use the same method as before, and I personally like both of them. I couldn't choose which one. This Jungkook photo card just goes with the flowers and blue foiled paper, so I couldn't decide which one, so I decided to show you guys what the flowery one looks like. Alright, for the next DIY, this is a Jimin photo card that I got from my niece Marlene. Thank you, Marlene. And for this one, we are going to make it a bit more cuter. Not that Jimin is already cute as it is, but we're just going to make it stand out more with some cute little images. So like before, I got my template and traced it out onto this cute little ice cream cat cardstock paper. I don't even know what it is, but I thought it was cute. And I got my Jimin photo card. So then I got my images that I printed out, and I wanted to rearrange them before I glue them onto the piece of paper to see where every little image will go, I guess. So this part is very importante, okay? This is very essential for this DIY. So what I'm doing here is gluing with a glue stick the images down onto the cardstock. We want to make sure that the images go onto the actual cardstock paper, not the photo card, just because we don't want that glue residue, if you know what I'm saying. So if you're going to layer 2 images in between, make sure to only glue onto a little bit on the edge or side of the image, and then put the other image on top as you see here. So why do we do this? Well, this is why. So I am sliding the Jimin photo card right underneath the image so then it overlaps. That way the glue residue will not stick on to the photo card. So as long as you only put glue onto one side of the image onto the cardstock and not the photo card, you should be good. So that makes it easier for you to slide the photo card out of your phone case whenever you want to. Which makes it even better because you can swap out photo cards whenever you want and just keep the template as is. And once you have that done, go ahead and put it into your phone case and BAM! Look at that. Beautiful. I love it so much. It's so cute. For the next DIY, I'm going to use 2 Jungkook photo cards that I keep pulling out for some weird reason. I swear I'm cursed with this Jungkook photo cards that I get off of every single BTS album. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and use some stickers. I got these stickers from Amazon. I'll leave a link in the description below. So this DIY is for those who do not want to do the templates, but rather rearrange a bunch of stickers to their liking, I guess. So go ahead and grab your glue stick, and we're going to do the same method as before, where we put a little bit of glue on one sticker and then add another sticker on top to create a layer effect. So this is where it gets a little tricky. I'm gonna go ahead and use this tape roller. It is kind of transparent, but not really. And this is the only one I could find. So this is what I did. I decided to put the tape roller on the detailed parts of the sticker so you won't be able to see it as much. And what I did afterwards is to stick it onto my phone case. And I rather have the stickiness be on the phone case rather than my photo card, just because I am that person. I am the one that does not want those precious photo cards to get ruined by any means possible. So anyways, I placed the stickers onto the phone case, sticky side up, and then I put the photo card, and boom, there it is. It looks super pretty and aesthetically pleasing. And I also did another Jungkook photo card, a little bit more in detailed. This one was a bit more challenging since I had to hold the photo card in place and then tuck in the stickers underneath. And I think it turned out pretty good in my opinion. And last but not least, we got Jin Jambalaya over here. And this is the only Jin card I have. And I'm so sad, but it's okay. So the only thing you need here is some star glitter that I am desperately trying to open. Please just open. Okay. After some fallout, you're going to just sprinkle all the glitter everywhere on your transparent phone case. And it's just so much fun. I decided to do some like ombre effect, like more on the bottom and less on the top. And make sure to make some room for Jin's face.
For my handsome face.
And once your photo card is placed down, you can add more glitter if you want to. And for this part, it's a little bit tricky, but go ahead and get your phone and make sure to press down firmly just so it could lock the glitter into place and it won't move. The glitter will stay still, it will not move once it is sealed and locked in. That's why I suggest getting a seal-proof phone case, that way nothing will move, nothing will budge. And yeah, this is how it came out. It is my favorite one out of all of them. And oh, I'm obsessed. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and if you did, you know what to do. Hit subscribe. I see you right there. Hit subscribe. And if you want to see more DIYs like this, let me know. I might make a part 2. But anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!